Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to sell digital products online on Shopify. First of all, open your Shopify store and click on the search on the top center. Click on apps and search for digital downloads. Hit enter. A new tab will open. Click on this digital downloads. Then all you have to do is click on install. Click on install once again. It will open your product page. You have to click on add digital files. Click on it. Now you have to click on add files. And you have to go to the folder on your computer and add your files. Once uploaded, you have to click on fulfillment. From here, you have to make sure that it is set to automatically send files, or else you have to manually send files once they pay. So you can also set a download limit if you want. I will set it to unlimited and I will just click on apply. And then you have to make sure to click on save to save all of your settings. And you have successfully added your digital product on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.